Hello, everybody. At this time, we are talking about environmental analysis. An environmental analysis, also called an environmental scan, is a strategic tool used to identify and assess all external and internal elements in a business environment. It examines organizational and industry factors that can positively or negatively affect the business and its success. By anticipating short term and long term impacts, the organization can really respond to them when they appear. And then we move to importance of environmental analysis. Organizations need to do environmental analysis because it helps them to first find opportunities. By looking at the outside world, organizations can find new trends and chance to enter new markets or make new products or services. And then second, make informed decisions. It helps organizations learn more about the outside factors that affect their business so that they can make better decisions. And then third, identify threats. It helps businesses find threats to their business, such as new competitors, changes in regulations, or a slowing economy. And then fourth, anticipate change. Environmental scanning helps organizations plan ahead for changes in the outside world and create strategies to deal with them. And fifth, create effective strategies. Organizations can create effective strategies that are in line with their goals and objectives when they understand how the outside world affects their business. And then, what is the purpose of environmental analysis? An environmental analysis primarily aims to evaluate a business external environment to identify opportunities and threats. With this information, a business can create a roadmap with strategies that take advantage of the opportunities and mitigate the threats. An environmental analysis also allows businesses to remain competitive by identifying technology, consumer, and market trends. Environmental analysis is a critical component of strategic planning. It helps businesses understand their current position in the market and identify potential risks and opportunities, and analyzing the environment means businesses can develop effective strategies to achieve their goals and objectives. A comprehensive understanding of the external environment can help businesses implement effective strategies to achieve their goals and objectives. And then we move to components of environmental analysis. The first component, internal component. These elements demand that businesses examine themselves and based on the organization's objective and vision, they assess its strong and weak elements. These elements also allow companies to reflect on their strategy and intention for a predetermined time, like 5 or 10 years. Many internal problems in a company are analyzed internally. The environmental analysis must address the following significant challenges based on the organization's makeup, like financial standing, product and service excellence, and roles for products and services. And then second, external components. External factors, on the other hand, relate important vehicles outside the organization. Businesses need to assess the challenges and opportunities in the several areas like market and industry trends, legal as well as political environment, advantages and disadvantages of competition, then supply of workers and local labor markets, your customers, including customer service, and then technology advancement in technology that can simplify processes, economic activities that may affect the organization, etc. And then we move to environmental analysis process. The first, define the scope. Start by figuring out what exactly you want to analyze. Are you looking at one department, the whole company, a specific market, or a particular location? Be clear so you don't waste time or miss anything important. And then second, gather information. Collect valuable data from both inside and outside the business. Internal info includes things like financial reports, staff performance, and sales data. External sources could be customer feedback, market trends, competitor reports, or even social media. And then third, evaluate competitors. Check out your competition. Are they doing better than you? Are they a threat? If yes, dig deeper. Look at their pricing, marketing, customer reviews, or anything that gives them the edge. And then fourth, identify internal factors. Look at what your business is good at and where it's failing short. This includes your people, tools, technology, and everyday operations. And then identify external factors. Know outside what's happening in the market. Are there new roles or trends? What could help your business and what could hurt it? And then six, analyze and prioritize. Put all together. Which strengths should you build on? Which threats or weaknesses need urgent attention? Rank this based on how much they could impact your business. And then seven, develop strategies. Use your strengths to take advantage of opportunities and final ways to fix or reduce your weaknesses and threats. Create innovative and simple action plans that align with your business goals. And then 8. Monitor and adjust. Keep an eye on how your strategies are working. Market chart, so be ready to tweak your plans. Regular check-ins will keep you business flexible and competitive. I think it is enough. Thanks for watching.